Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open a business bank account in Bangladesh. So here we'll just go to Google and directly search for the top business banks in Bangladesh. Okay. So here we can see. So the first bank is our Islami Bank Bangladesh. Then we have Dutch Bangla Bank Limited. Then we have Sonali Bank Limited. So I'm going to show you how to open a bank account in your Dutch Bangla Bank. Okay. Then I will just go to their website. You can just also come. Okay. So this is written in Bangla Deshi language. Okay, so here we can see. So to open a business bank account, you have to go to the other service. Then we have a corporate banking. Then we have our SME banking. So we'll just do SME banking. Okay. So there we have here our cash credit, long-term loans, property, and other things. Okay. Then we have like other related, investor related, other things. Okay. So you have to go to your like here we will just go and directly have other services, and from here you will just go to here loan, not here your cash credit. So you will directly go to down and you will just see for contact us button or contact us. So you can see the number also, and here is your here is your number, so you can just call and see for the nearest branch available. Okay. So you can just go and open a business bank account. Here you can see. So the address is your 47 Moti Jail, commercial area, Dhaka, 1000, Bangladesh, and this is telephone number. And here we can see the shift code is this. Okay, the building looks like something like this. Okay, so from here we will directly go to the Dutch Bangla Bank Limited. So from here you can directly open it. So business bank account opening will be requiring a KYC. So it will require basically a minimum age of 18, and you should have established business in the country. Some licenses and paper works will be required. So this is how to open a business bank account in your Bangladesh. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.